Hi guys, Virginia with Jenny Bins, and I wanted to help you understand and determine if a product you might have in your home is actually real wood or not, and how to kind of tell the difference. So here I have a desk. It appears to be real wood, but it's actually not. So if you look up close here, there is a chip, and if you look underneath, this is actually made out of particle board. And what is actually on top here to make it look like real wood is what they call a veneer. So the top and the veneer is actually a real wood product, but it's a very thin sheet, kind of like a wallpaper that they put over particle board to make it appear like a wood product. But it's not as durable, not as strong. As you can see, it's already chipping. At Jenny Bins, I only offer 100% real wood products. You could see from this top that I just stained today, all of the character and different knots and texture that come through the wood. This is what I offer, and this is what my customers love. So if you are looking for a real wood product that is different than the pressboard material that 99.9% of furniture you find out there these days is made out of, I'm your girl, and I would love to make you something.